I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fondant using marshmallows. First, grab one 16-ounce bag of mini marshmallows and place them in a microwave-safe bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Microwave the mixture for 30 seconds, then stir well. Continue microwaving in 15-second intervals, stirring after each, until the marshmallows are completely melted and smooth. This creates the sticky base for your delicious fondant. Now it's time to incorporate the powdered sugar. Gradually add about 2 pounds of powdered sugar to your melted marshmallow mixture, mixing with a sturdy spoon until it becomes a shaggy, thick dough. Once it's too stiff to stir, lightly grease your hands and a clean, flat surface with a little shortening. This preparation prevents sticking and makes the next step much easier. Transfer the shaggy dough to your greased surface and begin kneading. Fold and press the mixture repeatedly until it transforms into a smooth, pliable, and elastic fondant. If you want to color your fondant, add gel food coloring during this stage for vibrant results. Once kneaded, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap to prevent it from drying out. When you're ready to use your marshmallow fondant, simply roll it out on a lightly powdered sugar surface to your desired thickness, typically about 1/8 inch. It's perfect for covering cakes, cupcakes, or cutting out decorative shapes. Remember to check the description below for links to some fantastic deals and products, including the Owala water bottle to keep you hydrated. Store any unused fondant tightly wrapped at room temperature for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.